Hello everyone, my name is Lindsay Kirkpatrick, and I will be comparing and contrasting two companies in the health and fitness category for this week's project. I first chose GNC, or General Nutrition Centers, as the traditional or conventional company because of their long-standing place in the fitness and nutrition community. I then chose bodybuilding.com as the modern organization to follow because they sell essentially the same products but have been more successful in recent years. After this PowerPoint, I think it should be easy to understand why one company has surpassed the other and how technology has contributed to one's success and the other's demise. The conventional company, GNC, was founded in 1935 by David Shakarian and was first called Laxum until they decided to rebrand in the 1980s. As GNC stores started to pop up all over the US, they began producing their own supplements and were capitalizing on the growing need for health and supplement retail stores. The modern company, bodybuilding.com, was founded in 1997 by a young web marketer and bodybuilder, Ryan DeLuca. Originally known as wholesalecreatine.com, their CEO made sure customers got the niche supplements they needed to support their bodybuilding lifestyle and originally operated the business from his own garage. Bodybuilding.com was founded to help bodybuilders get the supplements they need as soon as possible while simultaneously building a community of other like-minded individuals through the Body Space forum and networking site. Bodybuilding.com is also a subsidiary company of Vitalize LLC, which is made up of other health and fitness brands. Vitalize LLC was also recently acquired by Liberty Expedia Holdings in 2019. Now that we have a general understanding of these businesses, let's examine their values individually. GNC is committed to providing quality supplements to their customers to help them maintain overall wellness, but the way they deliver their products seems like the customer is not really number one. GNC has many failing retail stores, and their main priority seems to be getting customers through those doors instead of shopping online. Bodybuilding.com just puts the customer first and creates immense value for the customer by offering supplements to support their goals in addition to free health and fitness education. They often promote workout plans with star trainers and advertise supplements being used by the professional. There are also thousands of health and wellness articles and a social networking site, bodyspace.com, that helps foster a community of like-minded individuals. People go to bodybuilding.com over GNC because they can learn how to get in shape and then figure out what supplements would support their goals, which is much more valuable than the information that GNC provides on their website. Looking at both companies' segmenting strategies, I would say both are similar, but bodybuilding.com focuses more on behavioral factors, while GNC tries to target people based solely on demographics. GNC is looking to attract younger people that are interested in health and wellness solutions, but already have knowledge of the supplements they are looking for. This would explain why they focus on highlighting the product itself, unlike bodybuilding.com's marketing strategy. Looking at their website, you can tell bodybuilding.com plays to your emotions and has a very sexy marketing strategy. Bodybuilding.com wants to draw you into buying a certain product because it's the product that will make you look like the celebrity trainer that endorses it. This is an incredibly powerful marketing strategy that is likely to attract more buyers of all different demographics because almost all people are inherently vain and want to look ripped just like the trainers on bodybuilding.com. Looking at loyalty programs, I think GNC may have an advantage here. Bodybuilding.com has no loyalty program, although they do offer some discounts on the site. I would say the only thing keeping the customers loyal to bodybuilding.com is the value they create by offering access to workouts and other information. Despite them having some bodybuilding original products, most other items can be found on retail sites like Amazon or even GNC. GNC also has an advantage over bodybuilding.com with their Pro subscription service. The Pro subscription costs customers $39.99 a month and includes boxes of free samples shipped to your door biannually, and also gives customers free shipping on all online orders and gives customers access to additional cashback rewards. Bodybuilding.com far surpasses GNC and data collection and knows how to leverage these results to benefit both the customer and their own business. Bodybuilding has a greater capability to collect information because they are more engaged with and connected with the customer. They have 4 different mobile apps for customers to track a variety of different fitness information, where they then use the data to generate reports about their own lifting and fitness records. GNC is not nearly as engaged with the customer and has limited data collection besides the information that they do collect from their loyalty customers. I think bodybuilding.com offers yet another valuable tool for customers while benefiting themselves simultaneously. Perhaps GNC needs to leverage more data in order to improve upon their marketing strategy and help them understand their customer base. Both companies have periods of digital transformation, but the timing of these changes is what's so important. Looking at the graph on the right, we can see the steady increase in consumer interest in vitamins and dietary supplements. We can also observe the trend line in e-commerce rise exponentially and then fall below the supplement trend line in January of 2016. GNC began their tech transformation in December 2016 with the One New GNC initiative, while bodybuilding's tech revolution started in 1999 when their Body Space app was created along with the founding of their own website. GNC's initiative came too late and at a time where vitamins and supplements were already surpassing the need for improved e-commerce capabilities. At this time, GNC was still struggling to get customers to use their website and could not compete with other e-commerce sites, let alone e-commerce sites in their own category. Bodybuilding.com was able to capitalize on the growing interest in online communities early on and drove people to their purchasing site gradually. When customers' e-commerce interest started to shift towards vitamins and supplements exclusively, bodybuilding.com was ready to welcome them with open arms. I think the reality of the situation is that both companies are on their way out because Amazon is something they both can't compete with. However, bodybuilding.com seems to be captivating more people than GNC because of their community element. Both companies are eliminating positions and both people are quitting because of their slowed growth and no guarantee for upward mobility. Both companies also have similar Indeed.com employee satisfaction ratings, but GNC's ratings include both in-store and corporate reviews, which are both very different cultures. The in-store culture at GNC has provided staff with tools to learn more about products in order to become better salespeople, while the corporate culture is dull and dwindling, much like bodybuilding.com's. Perhaps both companies should consider letting more people work remotely and should employ younger talent so that they are fostering new ideas and a new culture that could carry them somewhere else. Bodybuilding.com seems to offer more mobility than GNC because they are part of a parent company, Vitalize LLC, that houses other similar companies. GNC's corporate employees' only option to move upward may be just to leave the company altogether. As expected, there was limited information on GNC's use of internal analytics and hiring processes, but there were many jobs in their retail and corporate offices on sites like Indeed, Glassdoor, and LinkedIn. On the contrary, bodybuilding.com's parent company, Vitalize LLC, seems to be heavily adopting technology in their new hire process by using analytical tools through the program called JobVite. JobVite uses advanced analytics to help match the company with the right new hires, which claims to save money down the line. It seems like GNC has neglected to collect enough data to learn more about their customers and employees altogether. As a result, they are losing money in this trial and error process, while other sites that are more efficient with targeting are taking their sales. Bodybuilding.com seems like they are starting to dwindle in the wake of Amazon's success, but their parent company, Vitalize LLC, may be able to save them if they can continue using technology to gain insight on the buying behavior of their customers and perhaps merge bodybuilding.com with one of their other companies. I think both companies will have a hard time competing against Amazon because of their direct delivery methods, but bodybuilding.com will most definitely outstand GNC in this area. Thank you all for watching my presentation, and feel free to explore the links I have listed on this final slide.